Join me as I dive into the secrets of the keto diet and see if I can lose weight fast in just 30 days. The keto diet has been gaining popularity for its unique approach to weight loss, focusing on low-carb, high-fat eating. This approach may seem counterintuitive, but it's been shown to be effective for many people. Starting the keto diet can be tough, with many people experiencing the keto flu, a set of symptoms that can include headaches, fatigue, and nausea. These symptoms are usually short-lived, but they can be intense. Keto dieters often report feeling irritable and anxious during the initial transition phase. Cravings for carbs are another common challenge, as the body adapts to using fat for fuel instead of glucose. Many people struggle to give up their favorite high-carb foods, like bread and pasta, which can make the transition to a keto lifestyle difficult. The keto diet is centered around specific macronutrient ratios, with a focus on high fat, moderate protein, and low carbohydrate intake. This means choosing foods like meats, fish, and eggs, as well as healthy fats like avocado and olive oil. Meal planning is crucial on the keto diet, as it's easy to inadvertently consume too many carbs. Tracking macros is a helpful tool for ensuring you're meeting your daily nutritional needs. Staying hydrated is also essential, as the keto diet can be dehydrating. The key to success on the keto diet is finding healthy, keto-friendly alternatives to your favorite foods. There are many delicious and creative recipes available online, from keto pizza to low-carb ice cream. Intermittent fasting is another effective strategy for accelerating weight loss on the keto diet. By restricting your eating window, you can boost your metabolism and increase fat burning. Tracking your progress, whether through weight loss or measurements, can also be a great motivator. To overcome common obstacles on the keto diet, it's essential to stay committed and focused on your goals. Having a support system, whether online or in person, can make a big difference. Staying informed about the latest keto research and trends can also help you stay on track. Finding healthy ways to manage stress, like exercise or meditation, is crucial for long-term success. By combining these strategies, you can unlock the full potential of the keto diet and achieve rapid weight loss. The keto diet offers a unique approach to weight loss, with its focus on low-carb, high-fat eating. By understanding the key principles of the keto diet and using effective strategies like intermittent fasting and tracking macros, you can overcome common obstacles and achieve rapid weight loss. If you've tried the keto diet, be sure to share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to tune in to my next video, where I'll be sharing my top tips for meal prep on the keto diet.